Hello, model citizens. In today's video, I'm going to share the latest update from the Riverside transfer as I install one of the backgrounds and set in place the final section of Benchtop. Starting off with the background installation, I designed and purchased my background with Larc products. This video is not sponsored by Larc. Bill has an extensive library of images that he can create a customized backdrop for you. The background that I purchased is a combination of 5 different images. Bill from Larc Products sent me a proof to review prior to purchase. Bill offers the backgrounds printed on 3 different materials: Image Bright Vinyl, Fabtex Polyester, and Pro 10.5. I wanted to go with the peel and stick option, but I also liked the idea of something that was removable, repositionable, and a flat finish. I chose the Fabtech, which turned out to be a good choice for me. I started by hanging the background with painter's tape to get it aligned as I wanted. I would highly recommend removing as many obstacles in front of your background, but of course I chose not to do this. Using a background that could be removed and repositioned was very important, allowing me to adjust the background as I went. Overall, the installation was pretty straightforward. Bill sent a recommended set of instructions, and if followed, you will have a successful install. I am happy that I chose the Fabtex polyester. It has a softer finish, so although it is a photo background, it does not take away from the layout itself. Bill is also an incredible modeler, and you can see his modeling at Amherst in the Young Building, where his club sets up their modular railroad. The club uses several of Bill's Larc Products backgrounds. Another really great install of the Larc Products background is on RailServe John's Somerset and Raritan layout. On John's YouTube channel, John2618, you can see how he has blended in the background to the foreground, creating a seamless install. I am very happy with the result of the background and would recommend working with Bill at Larc Products for any custom background needs. In the next section of this video, I am installing the last piece of benchtop, the section for the main yard. I have pre-wired as much of the underneath of the benchwork as possible. My goal was to not spend hours underneath the layout looking up at the bottom trying to neatly wire everything. I have pre-installed and wired the switch machines, turnout LED indicators, switch machine feedback wires, and detection zones. It is a lot of wiring, but doing it before installation allowed me to keep everything neat and organized. I also went with a frame and riser style of benchwork. This way I did not need to pull the wiring through holes in the framing. This process allowed me to pre-wire and then just place the benchtop on top of the risers once completed. Both the installation of the background as well as the benchtop would have been much easier with 2 people, but I was able to get everything manipulated into place by myself. Although there were a few times I thought I heard the Benny Hill theme song playing in the background. The next step is to add in all the remaining framework and risers to make everything as flat and level as possible. Then I will move on to the track work. And of course everything is taking me a bit longer than planned, but all of the time I am spending now by doing all of the pre-wiring will save me a lot of time when it comes to laying the track. It's starting to look a little bit like a layout now, and not just a pile of wooden wires. Thanks for watching.